Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. So let me show you how I got this look with just two eyeshadow. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a big thumbs up, share your thoughts on the comment section, I'll reply to all of them. We now do, let's go straight into this. So I start off with my moisturizer first. If you are new to the channel, hi, hello, but I like doing skin first before eyeshadow. I don't know why, but mostly I like doing skin first. So I start off with my moisturizer, go in with Zaron face primer. Apply this all over my face, but focus more on my T-zone, that's my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Then I mix these two foundations, the Zaron foundation and the Flawless Ivy foundation. Blend it out with my damn beauty sponge. Blend it all over my face. And I don't like going towards my hairline because I'll go in with my bronze later. Another eyeshadow that is bronze, so I don't like building products close to my hairline, so I always avoid towards my hairline. So I'm going in with this, the one I mix with the Zaron as my bronzing shade. This eyeshadow this foundation, when it gets dark, when it dries up, it gets darker, and it has my perfect undertone. That's why I like using it too. And this is the darker shade. For my concealer today, I'm using the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. Guys, I've forgotten how good this concealer is. So I like going in first to apply it on my nose, blend it out, go in with my nose contour. And everybody have their own way of applying everybody have their own order of applying their makeup. How do you do your own? How do you order? How is your own makeup? Is it skin or eyes? So after I've contoured my nose, I go in with my damn beauty sponge to blend out my under eye, all other concealed areas, the bridge of my I've already blended out my chin too. And I start now to tackle my smile lines. When I was little, I thought smile lines were a good thing, but these days I think smile lines are not good things, because that's where my makeup always start to crease after my under eyes, my smile lines. So I like liquid blush. So I go in with this peach shade. Then I set in immediately, like after blending out my under eye, doing my blush very fast. Then I set in all my concealed areas. You guys see I'm not baking yet. I like to set first. Set all my concealed area with Flawless Ivy foundation and what's wrong with me? Powder. Setting powder in the shade Banana. Then I contour all. I'm setting in my contour too. Then go in with my face powder, my shade. This one I use it all over my face so that everything be well blended. The conceal area, the contour area, the blush area, everything will be well blended. Then I go in with Davis number 3 eye pencil to draw out my brows. My brows has become bushy, even though I don't have somebody all over the place. I have to trim it. Towards the outer part of my brows, I like going in with hair-like trance. Draw hair-like trance, like to look natural. Conceal my brow bone area. This is the only place I conceal these days in my eyes. That time I always start from the beginning to the end, but this is just the brow bone area. Then blend it out with my middle finger. This one is optional. You can actually go in now with your black shade since it's a black eyeshadow, but I really wanted that black to pop out today, so I had to conceal my eyes. I have to set my eyeshadow base. I have to place my eyeshadow base. After blending it out, I set it first. And guys, we're using black eyeshadow today, so we have to keep something for it to fall up on. If you don't do this one, if it's those black eyeshadows that fall off really much, before you are done, the under eye will be dark, and we don't want that. So I put in enough powder on my under eyes today to cash out all that fallout. So we are using just two eyeshadow, the black and the brown that is closest to black, method of application. You go in with a flat brush, dip it, take much of it, and just tap on your eyelid. Stop towards your crease area. You know your crease, right? Where that your bone stop when you close and open your eyes, that area. Pack it on there. Pack. But you stop at your crease area. I'm using a fluffy brush with that brown shade. You see, I just stop on my crease area, right? Then I go in with that brown shade and blend. Guys, we will blend. I use this Flawless ID eyeshadow because the V Beauty black, the blending is not. I don't know why the blending on the black is never blended well. Am I making sense now? So I blend in, then I go in with my gel liner to line my waterline. I smoke out my under eye area too with that brown shade, but I missed that clip. Then I dust out all that excess powder that I use for baking and cashing out eyeshadow. So this one, I just use a brush without a powder because I just wanted swiping it off. Apply my lashes. See, I told you guys just two eyeshadow that I'll use. I think this, as a beginner, this should be your go-to. You can use any color you want. It can be black, it can be any color you want, brown. So I go in with my liquid blush again. And guys, I didn't know liquid blush was so nice after the eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, I'll be doing it every day now. Then I go in with this brown shade. You can use your concealer. I like using this lip stain because it dries up very fast. And I'm setting the whole of my face with this Kids Beauty setting spray. And guys, I know after applying this thing, your lashes will cover your under eye, but make sure you apply your setting spray on your under eye area. So I needed this look to pop up, so I went in with this silver. You guys have seen it after when I was about going out that I did that. But guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. You're going to pick thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's have a discussion. See you in the next video.